Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Anushka. Today I'm here to discuss very interesting and crucial topic for kids, that is good financial habits. It's never too early to start teaching your kids the importance of money. You know what I believe? No matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, और आप कैसा लाइफस्टाइल जी रहे हैं, you should make sure that you and your child know the importance of money. You know, आपके बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए कि मनी की क्या वैल्यू है, कितने हार्ड वर्किंग से पैसे कमाते हैं. I remember my grandfather once told me that it is easy to earn money, but it is difficult to handle that money. Your child should learn saving, investing, and spending habit to make better life and future. Before discussing further points, I love to share a story of Anand Ambani when he was 6 years old child. He was walking with his grandfather Dhirubhai Ambani. His grandfather said to buy balloons. He purchased those balloons and he went back to home. नॉर्मली बच्चे क्या करते हैं, जब बलून्स खरीदते हैं, हम ब्लो करते हैं, हम उड़ा देते हैं. बट यू नो व्हाट ही डिड? यू विल बी अमेज्ड टू नो दैट ही परचेज्ड अ पैकेट ऑफ बलून एंड हवा तो फ्री आती है. उन्होंने हवा भरी एंड ही वेंट आउट एंड सोल्ड दोज बलून्स. ही परचेज्ड बलून्स फॉर 2 rupees and he sold them for 15 rupees. That's a good margin. After listening to this story, I perceive that good family environment is very important for child growth mentally and physically. जैसा आप सिखाएंगे बच्चा वैसा ही सीखेगा and accordingly उनका माइंड वर्क कर सकता है. कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. All you need to do is give your best and do your best. So now let's take a look at some personal finance good habits for kids which are important for adults too. For this video we have Pravleen Kaur with us. So let's get started.
My name is Pravleen Kaur. I study in class 6. Today I am here to discuss good financial habits for kids.
Habit number 1. Saving for goals. We often ignore the importance of saving, but it is very important to learn the habit of saving money. Learning to save helps set goals and show how earning interest can help money to grow over time. The goal of saving is to teach your children about how to avoid debt and to set aside money for when they are needed most. Starting with a simple piggy bank, kids can learn how this money adds over time.
Habit 2. Budgeting. You should make a diary for listing down all of your expenses and decide the maximum limit and do not spread more than that.
Very good. Habit number 3. Wants and needs. Children should be taught the difference between wants and needs. Needs are important and wants are wishes. बच्चे की बहुत सारे विशेस होती हैं, बट ज़रूरी नहीं कि सारे विशेस important हों. So this will help to know about essential expenses and leisure expenses.
Habit number 4. Children should learn about money at an early age. Children should know the value of money, how hard money is earned, and how we can save money.
Very good. We have Dilnoor Kaur with us and she will share how she saved money. So welcome Dilnoor.
Money which I received as a gift from my relatives and my parents. I spent half of my money to purchasing hair accessories, stationery as bakery products. Rest half I give to my mom.
Very good. Thank you Dilnoor. Now, Prableen, tell me that how you spend your money, how you save your money.
I apply 50-30-20 rules where I spend 50% towards needs and 30% towards wants and 20% towards saving.
That's good. Apart from this, you can give them monthly allowance. Get your child involved. For true financial understanding, you need to get your child involved. आप उन्हें बताएं कि बजट कैसे बनता है एंड कैसे असाइड करें सेविंग्स to run the household. Okay, show them the real world. Take your kid out to the market and discuss various occupations and their wage rate. Now let's wind up and conclude. So it is extremely important for parents to take initiative in cultivating healthy financial habits, as children quick to pick up what their parents do. बच्चे वही सीखते हैं जो उनके पेरेंट्स करते हैं. You do not have to be Wolf of Wall Street to teach your children about finance. All you need to do is to build a strong foundation by giving them perspective and building habits. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you found this video useful, do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, Prableen.
Thank you. Bye.